Here is you're looking at Orico 4 AC outlet 5 USB ports charger. Package came with the supercharger and instruction manual. Instruction manual clearly tells us the output of the ports and how to use that. Those 4 AC outlets and there is input like on-off switch. The quality of product is also good. Basically, like 3 ports got an output of 5 volts 1 amps and 2 ports got a higher output voltage of 5 volts and 2.4 amps, good for tablets, iPads. Overall, a nice uh, charger for charging your devices as well as uh, devices. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.